Best way to retouch your photo in Photoshop. First, duplicate the layer. And select Spot Healing Brush tool. Paint on acne and this will remove. Duplicate the layer and convert this layer from normal to vivid light. Go to Image and Invert. Go to Filter, High Pass. Now you can adjust this according to your Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and follow the process. Add layer mask by holding Alt. Select Brush tool. And foreground color should be white. And follow the method. Leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.